Giant-scale EPO foam models are becoming more and more popular. E-flite offers 3 of the currently available 5 models in the 2,000 millimeter range. Their latest offering is the Carbon Z Cessna 150, and I found one of them at the field. So how do you have the Cessna 150 configured in terms of, motors and radios and all that kind of thing?
Well, I have a E-flite 50 size brushless outrunner in it with 60 amp ESC, and then I'm flying it on a 6-cell 5000 zippy battery. The radios are Spectrum. It has the Spectrum 6-channel with the AS3X in it, and then it's flying on a DX18 transmitter.
And so you got the bind and fly or the plug and fly?
It is the bind and fly.
So basically you're flying it stock just the way it came out of the box.
Just like it came out of the box. Put it together, it took about an hour to put together. It goes together in about 5 minutes. It's got 2 pins in each wing strut, and then there's a bolt inside the fuse that plugs in the wings, and you don't even have to plug in the servos. It all lines up and snaps right together. Good?
So tell me a little bit, how does it fly out there? It was a little bumpy today on the video, but on a smooth day, what is it? How does it feel?
It flies it's really stable. It flies just like the Cessnas have been known to fly. The top flight that I have, it flies almost identical, very stable, comes in slow on full flaps, makes a real nice landing.